How to use and get logged in into your Wells Fargo online banking. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you want to get logged in and use your Wells Fargo's online banking, it is quite simple. Just open any of your browser or Google and search for Wells Fargo and tap on the first link, which is by its official website. Now from the top right corner, you will see a sign on button. Tap on it. If you want to use the mobile banking, click on get the app, which will direct you to the Play Store. Or you can just tap on continue to sign on to use the website or online banking. It will then redirect you to another page from where you can get in or use your credentials. The credentials include username and the password and tap on sign on button. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can tap on the link, which will take you to another page whereby you have to give some of your details such as account number, SSN number to get reset. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.